I'm currently in Jakarta on my way to see one of my mates. But before that, let's roll the intro. So tonight I'm just scrolling around Jakarta with my friend, just like photographer's ritual, you know, walking around. There's no fixed location. There's no fixed location, man. Just walking around and we don't know where we're gonna end up. Because there'll be a little bit of Jakarta in this vlog, so I might as well just talk about that just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. So there are approximately 15 million people residing in the city of Jakarta in a size of about 662 meters square. That is 3 times the population of the Greater Sydney in an area that is 18 times smaller. That is really dense. It's so dense. I'll live there for the first 25 years of my life. Because of the big population, this city is hell to get around. But it's heaven for shopping. So if you love shopping, this city is a heaven. Probably not so much for me, but for you. There are more than 170 shopping malls in all over Jakarta. That makes Jakarta stand as a city with the most shopping malls in the world. Again, right? It's crazy. If you guys questioning why I'm actually shooting in Sydney and I'm talking about Jakarta, the reason being is as I'm editing this vlog, the video, I actually noticed that there's a missing link with the information that I should deliver to you guys. So I thought, alright, let's go for a drive to the city and shoot this missing link of this vlog and put it together. So hopefully it makes more sense now for you guys. It's winter in Sydney, by the way, so that's why I'm, you know, wearing a jacket. It's hot in Jakarta at the moment. Let's go and see my friend now. Let's go back to Jakarta, shall we? He's here. His name is Peter. He used to be my drummer in the, you know, when I used to live in Jakarta. Now we are heading off to do some night photography. It's a bit rainy outside, so we'll see how it turns out. So yeah, fingers crossed. Gojek time. Pedestrian crossing here, but people just won't stop. Right, let's go across. Woohoo! Boom! Crossing the road is a big deal. Okay, it's red now. It's our turn. Keep walking. Keep walking. Ooh! It's 10 to 12 midnight in the center of Jakarta. Standing in front of the Istana Negara. Yeah, so just right behind me. That is Monas. We call it the National Monument. So that's about 135 meters tall. And at the tip there, that's actually a real gold. That's like a pure gold at the top. Pretty cool, huh?